we can see around like this. If I do so, from the highest high it's going down, of course, and the lowest, like the support levels are right there, around there. And another one after, if it like if bad things happen and it breaks this also, 945, it can go lower right there. Yeah, around there, which I don't expect to happen, of course, because that will be critical situation for the market if it breaks around this level, this level. So we have already seen recently Ethereum dumped less than $1,000 around. It went like $870, but it instantly pumped around this and went to 1200, and then again did a little sideways and pumped again and broke the recent resistance level, and it is currently sitting here. So if we do if I go with the 4-hour chart and try to draw our trend lines from there, like it was bullish, till, yeah, just arrow, it was bullish till like it was a high side, then there it was bullish till this it was bullish, but then like for the high, then the low right there, then from here it went this, from there the low around there. So there we can see that, like, the previous high it broke around, so we were bullish around there, but sadly we see a dump right there, market, and we still in the bearish zone from there to there, and there we are currently here. So there's possibility that it can go from like here, it can go around this, or if market goes bad and it breaks this support level, it can go around $1,000, of course. If we see bad things in markets and BTC start dumping, people panics and sell out, then we can see this happen. But of course, if we see good signs and BTC does good, we can see around level there. And if this zone, if it breaks, we can see really great pumps because there is no resistance around there. It can go like really good high. Okay, so that's for Ethereum. So of course, before investing, we of course like try to see on the top altcoins, like try to invest in the top 10 right there, and the Tether, which is a stable coin, as you guys know, for investing, which is always around $1 for USD coin. That's $1 as always. Then we can see the BNB coin. BNB coin is basically by Binance exchange, which is on the top 5 currently. So we will look on the BNB chart too, BNB city. There we can see for 1 hour chart